Hello all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marhamah Ulfa from Mathematics Education Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. I will present to you about my research. The title is The Application of SPADA to Student Understanding of Mathematical Concept. My partner is Niki Dwi Puspaning Tias from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia 2. Background my research, the first, future education will be more determined by information network that allow interaction and collaboration, not oriented to school building. And then, learning system in the network SPADA has helped educator in facing challenge of technological development. And then, the needs for renewal in the world education. And in our study, mathematics learning was also affected by technological development. So lecture must implement a lecture system that use learning in the network. And then methodology. This research is quasi-experimental study and the population is all students at the Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Samples taken by random sampling technique and then selecting two classes. Experimental class with 33 students and control class with 30 students. The criteria for understanding the mathematical concept use 5 indicators, and then data analysis using pairing sample t-test, analysis of test result data using SPSS. Result and discussion based from table 1, concept understanding test result. We can see in experimental class, the average is 78.48 and it is more than in control class, average 63.93. In the experimental class, more students pass the test who gets A until C test, which was 97% compared to the control class 63.3%. This shows that student understanding of concept in the experimental class is better than the control class. And table 2, achievement indicator for understanding the concept. Base 5 indicator, we can see that experimental class, the average is 18 HT, better than control class only 70.3. And then result and discussion. After we use SPSS, based on the table, it appears that the value of seek to toilet is 0.00. It is less than 0.05. There is so that statistically significant difference between the experimental class and the control class. The magnitude of difference mean this is so 40.14.552. Because it's positive, it means that experimental group has a higher mean than the control group. The result of studies show a significant difference where the experimental class subjected to blended learning with SPADA had higher mathematical concept mastery value compared to the control class that was only subjected to face-to-face learning. This is because students who study in blended learning are more motivated in independent learning, are more critical and responsible, more enthusiastic in learning because they can access course more easily through device or computer. Besides it, blended learning is contemporary learning that is in line with the time. This learning is also carried out with a system that is more interesting and enjoyable, so that it can involve student understanding of concept. And the last conclusion in my research, the application of blended learning can increase the percentage of student graduation. The application of blended learning has a positive effect and on the understanding of student mathematical concept that appear from the average final test score. And the application of blended learning can improve the achievement of indicator of understanding student mathematical concept. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.